I'm just going to be repairing the back. The panels are loose, and I'm going to go around and replace the nails and also hammer in the other nails that are not seated very well. So here I'm going to get to that. I'm using a needle nose pliers to hold my nail because they're very tiny and you'll just smash your finger. You won't be able to put them in. So just use a pair of needle nose pliers, and it makes it a lot simpler. Looks great. Let's move on to the drawers. I'm going to go through the drawers and check out if any of the joints are loose, if there's any nails or screws, anything in there that needs to be removed and repaired. The drawers are looking great. I'm just going through them. Look at that giant nail somebody put in there. Don't repair furniture like that. That's why I'm around. Bring it to me. The drawers are in remarkable condition. Just one of the drawers needs a little gluing on the bottom, and the bottom drawer actually sticks, so we'll get to that in a little while. I am clamping up that broken piece and wiping off my extra glue. I am giving the inside of the cabinet a thorough go-through to see if there's any loose wood pieces that need to be reattached. Everything looks great. Now I'm pulling out the slides to see if they support the drawer, if they need to have any repairs. And it looks like they're actually in really good condition. I found a little piece of wood in there, but it didn't belong to anything else, so I just tossed it in the trash. Surprisingly enough, there was a key, and it actually does work. It seems to be the only way you can open the slant top desk, when you turn the key and unlock it and you pull it with the key. Everything looks great. I'm just going to do some stain touch-up on those drawer fronts. This is the part I'm going to color match. See these right here? When you push the drawer in, they're very light and it doesn't look very good. So I'm going to go through with some darker stain and stain those. I'm just taking my time, going around, touching up all the light spots. Then after I'm done with that, I will let it dry for 24 hours, and I will come back and I will go over the whole cabinet with stain. All right, here I go. I'm just going to cover everything with a very light coating and then wipe it off. I want to get all in those grooves so it looks really nice and refreshed. I've also done the drawers, and here they are. Look how great they look. Nice and shiny. Just go over them with a brush, get right down in the grooves. All the touch-up work is done. I think it came out really great for its age. I noticed one of the legs is loose. I'm going to get it up on the bench and glue it up right now. Look at that. We got some snow. Here's the leg clamped up and all done. Okay, well, I got the base all glued up. This was loose. This had come off, and I had to re-nail it. I also had to make a piece down here, which I'm going to color this in with some old stain so it'll match. Very important to change the gliders. The metal ones will rust your floor. They'll cause a lot of damage. I like the plastic ones. It depends on what kind of flooring you're gonna put it on. They have plastic with nails. They also have the felt. Pre-drill a hole with the drill bit that's a little smaller than the nail, and install new ones on all your furniture, or they'll ruin your floor. And you don't wanna drag your furniture by this. This is a leg. This is not supposed to be dragged around, so you need to have some support underneath. Let's get the clamps off and check it out. Everything looks good. Much better. I'm going to get this desk back onto the cart. All right, now that I got the desk down, I'm just gonna clean up the big mess I made. All right, now I have to get the drawers to fit into the desk because some of them were sticking, so yeah, let's get to that. Old desk like this, I number them with Roman numerals on the bottom in the order that they go. Sometimes the drawers fit all differently. The bottom one is very tight, so I'll take it out and sand it. I will also grab some candle wax, an old piece of candle wax, and I will do the sides and also the gliders on the bottom and inside the desk. I will do those gliders too as well. You'll see me doing that in a second. Candle wax. Oh. All right, everybody, this beautiful desk is done. All the drawers are opening great. I went through all of them. Even this one's working fantastic with the extra wax. I put in the drawer stops. We touched up the finish. The lock works great. The little tabs down here to hold the top. This locks. And it's a great way to open the door. Yeah, I'm really happy with it. I'm Yvonne, Lady with the Hammer. Stay tuned. Love you all.